Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to see how I use 3 Dollar Tree items to make this beautiful vase, keep watching.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day.
And here are the items you're going to need. 3 fish bowls from the Dollar Tree. I got this bouquet of flowers from Michael's. I bought 3 of these. You're going to need some gold metallic spray paint by Rust-Oleum, some E6000 glue, some glue sticks for your glue gun, and some plaster of Paris. Right here, I'm using white vinegar to clean these fish bowls. I've already removed the stickers from the bottom of each one, and I'm just using this to get rid of any fingerprints or any dust or grease. And now I'm using a dry paper towel. Right here, I'm trying to decide how I want to arrange these fish bowls, but from the photo you can see I went with a different option. And now I'm taking the E6000 and the hot glue and gently pressing these together and repeating that step. I let this dry overnight, but after it dried, I had to add more hot glue. You'll see in the next clip.
Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, I'm out.
And now I'm using the plaster of Paris. Make sure you use your gloves when handling this. This is a half cup scooper. You're going to use 2 of these, and then 1/2 cup of water. You're going to stir this until you get a nice smooth consistency.
Just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you.
And now to the fun part. Previously, when I said I had to add more hot glue in between the fish bowls, you can see it here in this clip. But with the plaster of Paris, you have to work quick because it does dry within 20 minutes. So to give it the texture that you've seen in the previous photo, I just ran my fingers in circular motions and continued this until it was fully coated.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
And here it is after it's been drying for more than an hour. This is the look after 1 coat of spray paint. I didn't want a darker look, so I only sprayed it once, but look how it shines.
It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. And
now for the final look. Look how beautiful this turned out. The bouquet of flowers, I did cut the stems down because they were too long for the vase. But look, with just a few items from the Dollar Tree, some plaster, you get a whole entire look. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.